Hello, this is Tuknumela speaking, and I am with my sister Ruth.
Hi.
So we are going to do the video of Malagasy translation with the English words. So I am saying the English word, and she will say it in Malagasy, so it will be more fun.
Yeah.
So let's do this. We start with the number 1,
Ray,
2,
roa,
3,
telo,
4,
efatra,
5,
dimy,
6,
enina,
7,
fito,
8,
valo,
9,
sivy,
and 10.
folo.
And now we are going with the body part. So eyes,
Maso,
ear,
sofina,
nose,
orona,
mouth,
vava,
hand,
tanana,
legs and foot.
tongotra,
So that's all. For the color, black,
mainty,
brown,
volontany,
red,
mena,
yellow,
mavo,
orange,
volomboasary,
green,
maitso,
blue,
manga,
violet,
volomparasy,
gray,
volondavenona,
white.
fotsy.
And now with the food. Food is
Sakafo,
bread,
mofo,
cheese,
fromage,
chicken,
akoho,
fish,
trondro,
sandwich,
sandwich,
salt,
sira,
sugar,
siramamy,
fruit,
voankazo,
banana,
akondro,
orange.
voasary, orange,
And now the breakfast
sakafo maraina,
and the lunch at midday,
sakafo atoandro,
dinner,
sakafo hariva,
and now the time and season. Season, sorry.
toetrandro,
That's
Sy
the
ny
weather. So the weather,
toetrandro,
strong wind,
mandrivotra,
rain,
orana,
sun,
masoandro,
hot,
mafana,
cold.
mangatsiaka,
How? No, we are going with the casual word like how,
ahoana,
what,
inona,
why.
maninona.
Yes. Yes.
Eny,
No.
tia,
Because.
satria,
Maybe.
angamany,
And now we are going with the casual phrases that you have sent. Can you help me?
afaka manampy ay ve anao?
Please.
Azafady?
Do you speak English?
Miteny anglisy ve anao?
What time is it?
Amin'ny firy zao?
What's your name?
Iza ny anaranao?
Where are you living?
Aiza anao no mipetraka?
How many kilometers is to reach Boost?
Firy kilometatra aveto no lalovako raha toroka ho any Ambositra aho?
Yeah, and now we are going with the other words that you have said. Restaurant,
Hotely na trano fisakafoanana.
yeah, bathroom. With bathroom, we usually use WC to simply WC, and that's all. The kitchen,
Lakozia,
soap,
savony,
dentifrice,
dentifrice,
a fork.
sotro rovitra, fourchette,
We are using the French word fourchette with that one. The knife,
antsy,
glass,
vera,
yeah, pen.
penina,
But we are using stylo as the French. Newspaper,
gazety,
dog,
alika,
cow,
omby,
the mountains,
tendrombohitra,
desert,
désert,
Island,
Nosy,
beach.
torapasika,
We are using la plage as the French word. Jungle,
ala,
the river,
rendrano,
the lake,
farihy,
the sea and the ocean,
ranomasina,
the stars,
kintana,
the moon.
volana.
And that's all for now. We are doing some other video later. Thank you to my sisters. And
Veloma!
that's all.